If you are trying to brighten your complexion, I will advise you to go and get this Celebrity Half Cast Paris. This cream is called Celebrity Half Cast Paris. It's made with coconut milk and is very good. This is intense whitening body milk, okay, with natural blemish ingredients, skin redefining and rejuvenating, skin beautifying, skin polishing. It's very good. And one thing that I love about this cream is it repairs the skin. It works on dark armpits. So if you have dark armpits, it's actually going to brighten your dark armpits. And also if you have dark knuckle, this will get rid of dark knuckle. And also it's not just getting rid of dark knuckle for you, it prevents you from having dark knuckle. There are some skincare products that you use and it's to give you dark knuckle, but instead of this giving you dark knuckle, this is getting rid of the knuckles that you have had already. And also blemish solution. So if you have a blemish and all that, it will clear it for you. And it contains glutathione, coconut milk, lime extract, okay, terroir powder, red, okay, which is actually lightening powder, in which we use in producing skincare product, and snow white powder, which is actually whitening skincare powder as well. So if you are looking for something that will give you a beautiful skin tone without any reaction, go and get this cream. Yes, it's pricing, it's expensive and all that, but if you have the money, I will advise you to go and get this product because it's very good. Very good. This is very good. Honestly, it's made in France. So any product that is not made from all this one that you know that is common and all that, when you make use of the product and you have white patches, you have stretch marks and all that, it's not nice. I use this cream to pro mix cream for my customer, and I added lot of ingredients into this, lot of different, I added like 7 different kinds of oil, yes, into this, and I added lot of skincare prevention. There's no reaction while using this cream, but I just added it because of some people's skin can react to anything, okay, but you can use this cream just the way it is right now. Just look for one nice body oil and add inside and you are good to go. Like you are good to go. You will see how lovely your skin will look like, how nice your skin will look like. You will love your skin, honestly, you will love your skin. So go ahead and try Celebrity Half Cast Paris. If you are a fair skin person, go ahead and try this cream. You will love everything. You will love your skin, honestly, you will love your skin. It will beautify your skin, your skin will look so nice and so fresh. You will like your skin, no, without dark knuckles, not those ones that you use and you're having dark knuckles and all that. Like I said, yes, it's a bit expensive, but any product that is good, I will always recommend for you. See you in my next video.